Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting right now. Open Discord on desktop or mobile and make sure you're signed in. Once done, focus on the bottom left corner where your avatar and username sit. That's the control for status. Click or tap your avatar to reveal the status menu. You do this because the status controls live there. Skipping to the avatar saves time. Make sure you're on the account you intend to change, since server-specific status settings won't show otherwise. You'll now choose Do Not Disturb from the status choices. Click the red DND option. This immediately silences pings and hides mobile push notifications, which is why you pick it when you need uninterrupted focus. Once selected, check that a red crescent icon appears by your avatar so others see your status. If you prefer, set a scheduled or custom duration on desktop or mobile. That way, you won't forget to re-enable. Finish by confirming DND is active everywhere. Look for the red icon on your profile and test by sending a DM from another account if possible. If notifications keep coming, restart Discord and check your device's system notification settings, since OS-level alerts can bypass app statuses. Make sure server or channel notification overrides aren't forcing alerts. Adjust those settings per server if needed. If problems continue, log out and back in, or reinstall the app to clear persistent state issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.